Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. We have some exciting action on the Bitcoin charts today, and I'm pumped to break it all down for you. If you're enjoying these updates, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive straight into it. From yesterday, we pushed past the multi-month red resistance line that has been a huge obstacle for months. This is the same resistance many veteran traders were hesitant to long, but we broke through it. Right now, we're sitting up 2.33% from yesterday's low of $66,300, and we are currently trading around $67,700. This is a crucial point for Bitcoin. I decided to take another long position with a sub-account at $66,500 because my strategy signaled an entry on the 4-hour chart. Whenever this strategy fires off, it's almost always promising. Considering we were right at that multi-month resistance line dating back to March, I took the risk, and so far, it's paying off nicely. Now, about my previous long, I entered before the $69,000 breakout. Even though we round-tripped a bit, it's still in profit with an average entry of $67,100. The price action over the next few weeks will be critical, especially with a certain big event involving Donald and Kamala right around the corner. You know the one I'm talking about. With that event on the horizon, we could see even more institutional investors jumping into Bitcoin. The market is gearing up, and I'm really excited about where we are headed. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame and what the flashback indicator is showing. Historically, Thursdays tend to close more negatively than positively, but today is shaping up differently. We have about 4 hours left in the trading day, and things are looking positive. If today closes green, the average gain would be around 1.84%, which brings us right to where we are now at $67,800. What makes this even more interesting is that tomorrow is Friday, and Fridays tend to be more bullish for Bitcoin, followed by a slower weekend. Let's see how things unfold. If we keep this momentum, it could carry us into a strong close for the week. Speaking of momentum, let's talk about institutional inflows. Yesterday, we saw a massive $192.4 million flowing into Bitcoin, led by BlackRock's IBED, which scooped up $317.5 million worth of Bitcoin. To put that into perspective, that's more than 10 days worth of freshly mined Bitcoin block rewards. This was also one of the biggest inflow days we've seen from BlackRock overall. This is a huge signal. When you see big players like BlackRock diving in and scooping up Bitcoin on dip days, it shows where the smart money is going. They're preparing for what could be a significant move, and they are definitely not playing around. Now let's look at the liquidation heat map. On the 24th, it scooped up $41 million in short liquidations with a huge candle that ran from $66,700 to $67,500. Right now, we're targeting the upside area between $68,000 and $68,300, where there are another $200 million worth of short liquidations waiting to be triggered. So what do you think the market makers are planning to do here? With that much liquidity sitting just above us, it seems likely we'll see a push toward that zone. Market makers love to take advantage of these liquidity pockets, and with the short volume stacked up like this, another strong move to the upside wouldn't be surprising. That's the breakdown for today. Things are getting really interesting on the charts, and with institutional money flooding in along with these key technical signals, the next few days could be crucial. Stay on top of the charts, and I'll keep you updated with the latest moves. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Let's see where Bitcoin takes us next, and see you in the next one.